babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannel Morris here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button down below and turn that like button blue, and also press that bell button for a notification every time I put up a video. Okay, so this video is going to be a little bit shorter than usual, but we're going to get straight into it, cut to the chase, kind of get everything done. So if you don't know, the Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch comes in 3 sizes. There is a Toiletry pouch 26, which is the largest one, the 19, which is the one that I'm working with today, and you have the 15, and that one is smaller than the one that I'm working with. Okay, so this little purse, I'll be wearing it as a errand clutch, or a brunch with the girls clutch, or a brunch with bae, date night with bae clutch. Okay, so I know some people use it as a makeup bag, which I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you what I would put in it and what can fit in it for your everyday errands or your going outs. As you can tell, it's very cute, like it's super cute. It's not as big as the 26 and it's not as small as the 15. It's right in between those 2 sizes, and it fits a lot more than you would expect it would fit. If you want to see my unboxing video for this purse, you can definitely check it out. I will link it up above and in the description box down below. It's part of my Mother's Day vlog, so you can check that out as well. And let's get straight into what this little thingy can pack. So because this purse does not have different compartments, I kind of have to create it, and they do sell on Amazon the little insert that goes in it that you can find different compartments in, like you can make different compartments, and you can also turn it into like a little purse with a strap on it, which is super cute as well. I might do that, I might not, I don't know. Check out my Instagram to see how I style this, okay? Because I will be having pics up on there with this purse for sure. The first thing I'm gonna put is my Coach wristlet, and that has my cash and my cards in there, and that's it. It's very thin and it fits perfectly in here, so I'm just gonna slide that right in. The next thing that's going in this pouch is going to be my phone. So I have the iPhone XS Max, and for that phone it's the size, that the biggest size they have right now. The 12 is the same size as this one, or it's a little bit bigger, but as you can tell, it fits in here perfect. So any size that you have, it can definitely fit in there as well. The next thing I'm gonna put in here is my sunglasses. So it's summer and you know, gotta have that handy with me. So I'm gonna put my sunglasses in here from Quay, Australia, and that sunglasses, it's not thin and it's not bulky, it's kind of in the middle, so therefore it fits in there perfect. I do need to get a case for that. I do have a case, but I don't remember where it is, but I'm just gonna put that in there as well. Everything is fitting quite nicely, and the next thing I'm going to put in here is my sanitizer. So COVID-19 is still going on, so you need to keep yourself sanitized and clean. And you can't forget the lip gloss. I'm gonna be putting my Fenty lip gloss in there just for cute little touch-ups throughout the day, just in case my lips are a little bit dry. I have been wearing a lot of white lately. I'm filling up my closet with a lot of nice white pieces. So I'm starting to travel with my Tide to Go. So the Tide to Go, it's nice and small. It's like a little pen. I'm also a mom, so it comes in very handy if I'm wearing white and the little one gets any kind of stain on me. So that's the next thing that I'm going to be putting in this pouch. And I can't forget my little touch-up spray. So this is the Dolce & Gabbana, the only one, and this is the travel size spray. It's the same size, basically the same size as the Tide to Go, so it fits in here perfect if I want a little touch-up and, you know, freshen up a little bit throughout the day. We're still keeping ourselves sanitized and clean, and I do have these little pouch that I love to travel with. They're little sanitizer wipes, well, alcohol wipes. So I travel with those if I get anything on my hands, if I don't want to touch anything and my hands get kind of sticky. I love traveling with these, especially during this time. So I have my ear pods and everything is fitting quite nice. I am putting a lot of stuff in here. Like, I'm packing this up. I'm showing you the max capacity that can go in here, and it's quite large. Like, it's quite a bit amount of stuff. And just to finish everything off, I have my keys and I also have my mask. And that is it that I'm packing in this cute little pouch. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of stuff. Like, it actually fit a lot of stuff. It zipped up quite nicely. The zip on this is very smooth. There's no sticking or anything, and that's also one more reason why I love this little pouch. And this is my essentials that I like to get up and go with, and as you can tell, everything can fit in here, which I love it. It can pack a punch. It can pack a punch. Okay, so yeah, definitely hop over to my Instagram and press the follow button, because that's where I'll be styling this purse with a lot of different outfits coming very soon. So you'll see those over on my Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up. If you haven't as yet, what are you waiting for, boo? Press the subscribe button down below, okay? And that bell button for a notification every time I put up a video. If there's a video that you want to see, definitely comment down below and I will go through those comments. I always try my best to reply to all my comments, because you know some love on guys. You know some love on. So that is it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.